Hello everybody, you should have your slope-to-intercept form, point-slope form, standard form paper. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut along this line. Okay, then we're going to cut up here. Okay. And fold over. Okay, here we go. So, when dealing with linear equations, aka lines, there's a couple different ways that we look to solve graphs and how we can look at the numbers. Okay, we've learned standard form, right? Standard form is x and y on same side. X and y on same side. Okay, we've done slope-intercept form. Okay, and then we're going to learn point-slope form. Alright, so first let's go with slope-intercept form. Alright, this is our classic y equals mx plus b. So let's go ahead and write y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Good. Now, we know that m is slope and b is y intercept. Right? Interception, crosses. Someone crossed through the path of the wide receiver and grabbed the ball. Right? So if this is our y-axis, this point is going to be where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, so let's take this equation for example. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, sorry, erase that. That's m, right? mx. mx. So that's m. Right, and that's b. b equals 4. Okay, so now we need to plot this graph, right? We have an equation. We know certain things, okay? Now we would typically make a table, but all we really need is 2 points. Okay, so let's make our table, x and y. If this is the y-intercept, okay, we know it's going to intercept the y-axis. Okay, and on the y-axis, what does x equal? 0. So we can go ahead and say when x is 0, y is 4. When x is 0, y is 4. Right, because that's where the y-intercept is. So, let's plot that point. 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is 0, y is 4. Okay, now let's make another point. Because the denominator is 3, wait, that would be... Because the denominator is 3, I'm going to plug 3 in for x. Okay, that way I know they'll cancel out. So when I plug x in for 3, I get negative 2 over 3 times 3, which is negative 2 plus 4, and that gives me 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 2 points. Okay, now I'm going to get my straight edge, the piece of paper that I cut. and I'm going to make that a line. And there you have it. Y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. Found 2 points, made a line. Okay, good. Next, point slope form. This one's our new one. This one we're learning today. Okay, but essentially, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay. So if we know the slope, and if we know one point, right, x1 and y1, okay, we can graph the line. So, down here, y minus 2 equals 1/3 x plus 4. Right? Y minus y1, y minus y1, m times the quantity. So this right here is my slope. So m equals 1/3. Okay? And over here I have a quantity of x, 4, and negative 2. Okay? No, I'm sorry. Negative 4 and positive 2. Because it's minus x1 and this is plus right here, because it's minus x1 and this is plus 4, that means our coordinate must be negative in order to make that a positive. Okay. So let me find this point. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 2. Positive 2. Ah! Oops. Now I have my slope, rise over run. Rise is up, run is over. So we're going to go up 1 and over 3. 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 Okay. Those look pretty linear to me. I think I did a good job. Now I'm going to graph them. Boom. And up next we have standard form. Okay, this is like a coefficient with x plus a coefficient with y equals a constant. Oh, interesting. And they're going to go ahead and tell me that the slope, which equals m, equals negative a over b, and the y-intercept equals c over b. So if I graph this line, okay, of course I can convert it to slope-intercept form. We've done that. But if I just wanted to, find the slope and y-intercept, I know what they equal. So I could say the slope equals a, that's a, right? A equals 5. B equals negative 3. C equals 9. So I could say if the slope is negative a over b, I'm going to get negative 5 over negative 3. That's going to equal 5/3. If the y-intercept equals c over b, well, c is 9, b is negative 3, that's going to equal negative 3. Well, I have my y-intercept. That's going to be at 0, negative 3. So we start at 0 and go down to 1, 2, negative 3. Put a point there. And now I have my slope of 5/3. So let me rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the map. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 off the map. So all I can fit is those 2 points. So let me make a line. And there you have it. Slope intercept, y equals mx plus b, slope and intercept. Intercept. Point slope, right? I have a point, x and y, and I have a slope. I plot that point, and then I use the slope to find the others. Standard form, I have x and y. Typically, I can either go to point slope, or I can use these cheat codes that it's going to equal negative a over b for my slope and c over b for my intercept, and plot them like that. Okay, once you have that, you're going to go into your journal. And you're going to glue it on the next page. Thank you.